Here's how to find and scan QR code and then install the 1Password on your mobile app, then connect to it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get to it. On 1Password, you need to log into your account. After that, on the top right, press on this user icon, then press on manage account. On it, on the right hand side, you'll see this setup code. You need to press on the show button in order to show this QR code over here. Now I'm going to go over to mobile and show you how to connect using it. Now on your mobile, you need to go over to Play Store or App Store and then search for 1Password. Install it and open it up. Press on sign in and then you'll be able to see this on the top. Scan QR code. So I'm going to press on the scan QR code here. Use camera to scan. While using this app, press on it. Now all you need to do is take your mobile and put it in front of the QR code in order to scan it like this. Next up, it's going to ask you for a password. You just need to enter in your password here. Once you've done that, press on sign in. Now you can set up autofill. So just need to press on this open settings. Press on this 1Password. Press on OK over here. And that's it. Now your autofill is on. Press on continue on the bottom. Just press over here and select username. Open 1Password. This is just a demo for you, how it works. Press on continue. And that's it. Now you're logged in to your 1Password app. And that's it. That's how to find QR code and scan it on 1Password. And then you can also install the 1Password app on your mobile. I've shown you how to do all of these in this video. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more 1Password related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.